Waxpol Car Shampoo and Polish is a combination of superior cleaners and real Brazilian Carnauba Wax. Now wash and wax at the same time. Rinse to remove loose contaminants and also cool it. Squeeze once and mix water. One bottle gives 20 to 30 washes. Start washing from top to bottom, working in sections. Rinse sponge in between washes. Never use detergent or shampoo. They are harsh on the car surface. Use a toothbrush for difficult areas. Flood the car with water. Let it rinse off and then dry. Waxpol Car Shampoo and Polish cleans safely and thoroughly, leaving it clean and shining.